Hello friends, I'm Ahmad and I'm going to tell you how to get best quality solo ads. So let's get started. Okay friends, so I'm going to tell you how to get the good quality solo ads, as solo ad is very good quality traffic. So I'm going to tell you the right way to get to not waste your money. In solo ads, you have to directly communicate with other people who have their own list in that niche that you are promoting the product. So if we are communicating with the people directly, there are many fake people out there. They're selling fake clicks. So there should be a third party between you and the seller, so that you can get good quality clicks from good quality countries like top tier countries. So uh, I'm going to tell you about Udemy. Like Amazon. On Amazon, Amazon is not selling his own products. The some other people are selling the products, but what Amazon do is Amazon force those people to give the top quality to their product. And uh, the Udemy, like Amazon is a cover, and Udemy is also cover between you and the third party, the person from where you have to buy the solo ads. So like I have bought the solo ad from these peoples. So some of them have over delivered me, like this one, Domentes Vagonis. What happened was I ordered 300 clicks and he gave me only 288. So what Udemy did, they give me my refund for 12 clicks. So I'm going to tell you how to find the best sellers on Udemy according to your niche. Okay, so you can open some of the sellers in your tab. And okay, I've opened these three. What she's providing the traffic that is suitable for crypto offers or bizop offers or make money online offers. So it means that if you are promoting the product in this niche, you can buy the solo ads from the sellers, two or three different sellers, and you can check which one is converting best using the tracking. And let's go to the other one. Yeah, and see, this seller is providing for Bizop, Make Money Online, CP offers, and health and fitness. And if you are promoting health and fitness products, you can find many different sellers on Udemy for health and fitness. And even if you have your own store, you are selling on Shopify or you are selling on Amazon, you can also look for the sellers who are giving the traffic that is good to buy your product. And let's go to the third one. His name is Shane Bost, and he's also delivering the traffic for Make Money Online or uh, Bizop offers. And what if you're going to buy the traffic? So you have to follow these three things. First, you have to see his previous status, that he's providing the traffic. Traffic he has provided previously is 100% from top tier countries. Top tier countries mean United States, United Kingdom, Australia, New Zealand, and Canada. And why top tier countries are important? Because these are top five English speaking countries. And your offer is, if you are promoting any clickbank offer or any other affiliate program from MaxWeb or Max Bounty, so the probability is, there's more probability that these people will buy your product, because these are top tier English countries. And what you can do, you can use primary filter for that. What they do, they track the clicks and they see that they delete the fake clicks that are coming from the seller. They delete it automatically. And if you put top tier filter as well, what they will do, they will only deliver the two, if you're buying 200 clicks, they will deliver 200 of top tier countries. None of the, if the seller is sending the clicks from another country, Udemy will automatically delete those clicks. And if your offer is something like you think that it will not convert on mobiles, you can use no mobile options. Or if you think that my offer will convert more on mobile phone, then you can use only mobile offer. Okay, so you can also see the reviews, like 38% of the people who has buy traffic from this seller Shane Boast, they have uh, they have given thumbs up, and they told that they got sales. And you can also check for other seller like Ima. 0% of the customers said that they got sales. And for this one, yeah, 42 give thumbs up, but 0% claim for sales. Okay, so Udemy is a very good filter if you're going to buy the solo ads, and I've given you a link below with some discount. And if you want to buy the Udemy ads, you can go through that. And in my next video, I will be telling you how to utilize the Udemy in a technical way that you can drive your, if you're buying 200 clicks, 300 clicks, 400 clicks, you can maximize your sales. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, thank you so much.